and then off you drive, right?
Go on.
I appreciate your support, mate. Thanks so much.
Thanks,
I'm looking
Walt.
forward to working with you on this one.
too.
Thank you. 5.5 long months of living with an air fryer and a microwave in my kitchen. You know the story. My original cabinet makers went bust. I've been left for months and months with no kitchen. But it is here, and today is the day. And I just feel amazing about it all. Laundry, kitchen, and living room. So the fireplace cabinetry is going to go in today and tomorrow, in fact, all of this week. Cabinet. Oh, look who it is. Hello.
Oh my God.
How you going? Great
I'm
to see
good.
you. Oh, Marylou is, well, a world-class designer.
It's so nice to see it in situ and with this gorgeous view.
Yeah. You're responsible for designing. So when you talk about Australian kitchens and bathrooms and cabinetry, like you're it. So you're a trend forecaster.
Yes.
As a punter, you can walk into a Polytec showroom and you can meet with their team and you can have a look at samples and, open cupboard doors, and then they'll help you bring your kitchen
and the
ideas.
big panels, because it's hard to tell with the little ones. Being here in Kilmore and everything that you described sits in this sort of, like what we call a macro trend, modern nostalgia. You take elements from the architecture of the building. Like you had this amazing ceiling that was profiled.
No white carcass.
No. It's what sets it apart. Okay, so it just feels that little extra special. You've got something amazing on the outside. Why can't you have it on the inside? It's almost like a beautiful jacket when you open it up and you've got this gorgeous lining.
Yeah.
It also means that anything you've got in there is going to look amazing.
I know.
Right?
I'm going to have to keep everything like OCD compliant in here, aren't we? Tyson will go mental if I move any plates and dishes out of their place. It's interesting, designing a kitchen. I always wanted, obviously, an island bench, because my friends are the sort of friends that will come over and just sit at the island bench, no matter how large your dining table is. Pretty common, probably, with kitchens. But it was always about how much room do we leave between this old fireplace, which isn't going to be functional, it's just decorative now, and here, so that you can bring food round, or you can sit on the chairs there, or you can cook. And then how far do you leave at the other side for all the drawers to open to meet? And then how far do you go? So here, if you come and look here, I've actually got quite a lot of space. So I think we went for 1,200 in the end, which is about perfect. So you can open drawers, get stuff out, cook and everything, close very nicely, but have your dishwasher open, stack straight from there into the plate drawers and things. And then when you stand here, you get to see the gorgeous view. I call it Tuscany, some call it Kilmore, but you're about to look out and do the dishes. By do the dishes, stack them in the dishwasher. But you'll be able to stand here and just take in the view and the layout. And I think it's going to be amazing. No overhead cabinetry, because I'm going to have enough. So this was in a storeroom originally, and obviously the idea was to turn it into a laundry. So I've put a travertine floor down, which is
a bit fancy.
Beautiful, yeah. Just keep those earthy tones going here. A bit of a mess now, but you can see this is the original Kilmore pattern. Have we
It's
now
perfect.
called it? Yeah.
It's perfect, because then you've got that nice little subliminal
Yeah.
connection to the kitchen. I think it's fantastic.
So your actual colour, so it's called District Oak.
Yes.
And it's part of the...
Boston Oak collection. So there was the Boston Oak was the original colour. So that's that true oak veneer type colour.
Yeah.
And it's all in the signature wood matte finish. So you went from light through to the mid-range to then the darker palette, and District Oak sits sort of like 2/3 of the way.
Yeah. Polytec is massive now.
It is. As an interior designer, I know what I want,
Yeah.
right? And I know what other products it needs to work with. But Australia stands on its own 2 feet.
Next, the finishing touches of the cabinetry are complete as we edge closer to the big reveal.
What love and family means.
Well, mate, it's all coming together, isn't it?
It is all coming together.
I
It's
can't
full on.
believe how it looks. It's amazing. So I want to talk to you about a couple of things.
Yes.
Because you are Mr. Cabinets.
We are.
With many faces. These soft closing hinges, the pocket door systems, the handles, like who have we got to...
The best.
Yeah, who is it?
Wilson
Because
Bradley.
Wilson Bradley.
We've got Wilson Bradley, who supplied the Blum Legra box drawers, the Blum hinges, the Revago pocket door system.
Yeah.
So they are the hardware gurus.
So this is going to be a cabinet which is going to have like, potentially cocktails. I'm not going to let you know my
Knowing
secrets,
you, I
but
think
yeah,
it will
and
be,
a coffee machine maybe.
Yep.
And lighting, all that kind of stuff. But these doors are going to open, and they won't just stay open like normal doors. They're going to open, move, and then slide into a cavity.
Correct. Magically disappear.
So that's Revago.
The Revago pocket door system by Wilson Bradley.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. And so then, how do they work? They must have some like incredible mechanisms in them that just effortlessly slide into those cavities.
Correct. So it's been years in the making from Blum. They make it out in Austria. So yes, after years of engineering and research, they work the best.
Yeah.
In the market, they're the best of the best when it comes to pocket doors.
And I've got them in my kitchen. How
You
exciting! Can't believe it. It's very fancy. So this is stone, my natural stone. I'm so excited. I actually went to CDK Stone myself and personally went through all of their different slabs. I knew straight away that I wanted this. It's Lord, L-O-R-D-E, and it's got warm flecks through it. It's got natural veins, bit of grey, bit of white, some flecks of gold in here. The stone has been gotten from CDK Stone.
Yep.
Huge stone supply all across Australia.
Yeah.
And you guys cut it and you format it and you edge it and you treat it and
That's
you turn
it.
it into this.
Yeah, that's right. So we get it as big slabs, and then we cut it down into little strips, and the boys sit there and glue it and polish it and shape it.
So it's a real art form, isn't it? Really?
It is, yeah,
Stonework.
it is.
Months of planning, months and months of backwards and forwards, choosing the stone, wondering if it's going to be the right decision, everything. And here it is, and it's just beautiful. It is so homely. I don't know what words to use, but yeah. You know, Polytec now, when you look at that company, so when you go in there, you know that you're going to get something that has a bit of shelf life.
Yeah.
That's important.
Yeah, that's important. But it's also the behind the scenes, right? The guys are pretty conscious about sustainability and working towards reducing carbon footprint.
Yeah.
So they've got this great initiative called Redirect, where they collect a lot of the offcuts from cabinet makers, and instead of going into landfill, your board product is recycled.
How awesome.
Yeah.
I wondered why they were collecting
It's got your own
everything.
kitchen in it,
Yeah.
right?
Here you'll notice I haven't painted it yet the same colour as the feature wall because I'm actually having panelling put on here, and they're going to try and match, this is Polytec, the same grooves as the old ceiling used to have, and then it will wrap around the door to meet the feature wall as well. So, you know, a bit of colour, a bit of drama in here as well, but beautiful organic colours. This is that forage colour, which is over there, which is a Polytec colour. Still to come, the kitchen, the laundry and the lounge is complete, and it's time for the big reveal. Hello.
I can smell the
How
coffee.
you going?
Good.
Good to see you. Welcome back. So here we go.
Wow.
I know.
I've seen the pictures, the finished, but when you stand here, the feel,
Yeah.
you can't even describe it.
What's interesting here is that with the Polytec panelling and the CDK stone and the flooring and everything, it's really created a balance of hyper modern with a hint of farmhouse, but it feels, and I keep coming back to this word, organic.
It does. It's not your stereotypical combination of things, and it just feels right. It feels
Yeah.
like it's going to have this incredible longevity. And so we've got all this wonderful workability in these drawers. But what about these babies?
Yeah, the heroes, aren't they? You ready? I'm just going to open my
the big reveal.
Revago pocket doors. So, open and then party cupboard. And look at these, ready?
The Horizon drawers.
That's made such a big difference. I wasn't sold on them. I was like, oh, do I really want everyone to see everything in my drawers?
But you've got beautiful glassware, and so it actually works really well.
Yeah. So yeah, pantry, integrated fridge and freezer in here, so everything
nice.
you know is all in there, and just storage. This District Oak, the Polytec, absolutely nothing would change if I was to do it again.
Yeah, that's good, because I agree. So this is thermo laminate.
Yeah.
So it is a beautiful feel, a beautiful, has amazing properties about it, has got that sheen to it as well. Only certain profiles work as a wall lining, because most of the time it's used in kitchens as doors.
Correct.
So you can get all the different profiles, that sort of thing.
What do you think to this then in the end?
I do like it, because as we're walking towards it and it kind of peeked through the door, it's like, ooh, wow, it's very sophisticated for a laundry, but 100% functional.
So well done. Thank you. I mean, your skill set is out of control. It is incredible. You just know what works.
Yeah.
It's in the
Intuitive.
heart, yeah.
Oh yeah, here too.
For those of you playing along at home who are thinking about perhaps embarking on your next journey with renovation, and it could be any room in your house, you can think bathrooms, you can think living rooms, and of course kitchens as well. Polytec is where we have sourced all of our materials from, and they've got a great website. You can go into studios, can't you? You can feel the materials.
Bring in your tiles, bring in any other materials, and then you get to see larger pieces, which makes a difference.
It makes a huge difference. And start your journey at polytec.com.au. Well, I think we ditch these and we open a bottle of rosé.
Yes.
Sparkling.
Yes.
Next week on Country House Facelift.